Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chairman and CEO, Salesforce, Marc Benioff.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Well, I am so excited to be here. I've never been more excited about Salesforce. I've never been more excited about Dreamforce. Is this the most exciting Dreamforce so far? Yeah, it really is. It's so exciting. We're going to talk about that. I've been on the road for the last 3 weeks. Let me tell you, I've been to 8 cities throughout the country. Try running the keynote, checking it out with our customers, getting their feedback. I've had more than 200 one-on-one conversations with our customers, tuning this feedback and getting this ready for this keynote. I've been so excited. Thank you to all of those customers, by the way. Thank you to all of you who helped me. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. And number one, welcome to all of you. Welcome to our customers. Welcome to our partners. Welcome to our employees. Welcome to all of our ohana, the Hawaiian word for family. Welcome to our family. Welcome back home. Thank you, everybody. Welcome back home to Dreamforce and to our incredible community. You know, I'm here to inspire you, I'm here to entertain you, to motivate you, excite you, but the number one reason and the number one thing I'm going to do today is just thank you. Let me deeply express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for everything that you do for us every single day. We greatly appreciate it at Salesforce. We know how hard you work, what you do for us, and we are so grateful. So thank you. Thank you to all of our customers, all of our partners, and all of our employees, all of our ohana, our family. Thank you. And with that expression of gratitude, let me just say welcome back to this incredible family reunion. This is an amazing reunion. All of our customer trailblazers are, yes, our MVPs are back. Our success community is back. Our user groups are back. Our special interest groups are back. Our partner ecosystem is back. Everyone is back. It's so exciting to be with everyone. It's been so exciting to be on the road with everyone. And not only is it everyone in this room, which is a pretty great room, not only is it 170,000 people here on campus with us in this beautiful day in San Francisco, but we have 15 million people joining us online as well. There are viewing parties all over the world, in Amsterdam, in Dublin, incredible. In Sydney, Australia, there's a lot. Munich, Germany, we have all, Chicago. Really great. Anyway, thank you to everybody. And let me say that together, and certainly we're all on this path together, we're building this path forward. You know, this has been an incredible journey. It's just at the very beginning still. And of course, here's this great company that all of us have built together. We've done it. Innovator of the Decade, according to Forbes, amazing recognition. 100 best companies to work for, most innovative company in the world. Fortune 500 company now, incredible. Going to do more than $8.3 billion in revenue this year. 24,000 amazing employees at Salesforce. But look at this, $400 billion GDP impact by 2020, 2 million jobs created from all of you, creating 2 million jobs. That is a spectacular accomplishment. Thank you. And you all know we did this the right way. We built it on a set of core values at Salesforce that all of you have helped us to embrace and to nourish and to polish and became these incredible jewels of our company. Core values like trust. Nothing is more important than the trust we have with all of you, our customers and our family. And growth, the ability to grow our company and to grow your company so that we can be successful together. And of course, innovation. Continuous innovation, organically, inorganically, all this amazing innovation that has happened through our community. Thank you for everything that you've done to adopt that innovation. And of course, this incredible path of equality that we are all now on. Now, before I go on, there's this great Albert Einstein quote. You all know Albert Einstein. It's going to be a huge part of this keynote today. Albert Einstein said, "Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile." Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. That sums up this community, doesn't it? That sums up what we all feel at Salesforce and in our Ohana. And this path of equality that we've all been on has really turned into this incredible age of equality. This age of equality where, you know, we've fought together, whether it's for LGBTQ equality across the country. That's been so important for us. We're fighting for women and gender equality and gender pay equity for women all over the world. That's been very important for us. And all levels of equality, and we want to amplify that and take that to a new level, and we have an incredible new Chief Equality Officer at Salesforce. Tony Profit, just stand up and be recognized. We are so excited to have you. Thank you, Tony. And let me just say, as part of that, public education. You know, my good friend here, Will.I.Am, he always reminds me, you want to fight equality? You want to fight inequality? You want to make this a more equitable world? It starts with education. It starts in our public education systems. And it is so important for us here at Salesforce. Of course, we've adopted the San Francisco and Oakland public school districts. We've adopted schools all over the world. I've personally adopted a school. Let me make one plea for you, which is for each and every person who's watching this keynote to adopt a public school. Nothing will help our world go faster and further and create more equality than each and every one of us walks out of our door of our homes, and within 10 blocks of our house, we know where that public school is, and go and knock on that door of that principal and say, what can I do to help you? And you will be hugely surprised that they will be ready for you. They will have a list. I'm confident, I know, because I got the list myself. It's like, here's the list. It's a long list. All right, we're in. Okay? Nothing will go further to creating more equality in the world. Let's all focus and double down on our K-12 public education system. Now, all of this, and we're so proud of all of the awards and recognition we received, all of this was built on our 1-1-1 model, 1% of our time, equity, and profit inside this incredible 501c3 public charity that is also now part of Salesforce.org. More than 1,000 companies now, 1,000 companies also are now 1-1-1 companies, amazing companies that just went public, like Atlassian and Twilio, so exciting. And now we see 1.6 million of community hours delivered just by Salesforce, $128 million in grants given out so far by Salesforce, and 29,000 nonprofits and education institutions. And here's one of my very favorite ones with Veterans Workshop, and I think TJ McElroy is around here somewhere. TJ, stand up right here. TJ, thank you. All the veterans, stand up and be recognized. Thank you to all of our veterans. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to our veterans. We are so proud. We are so proud of all of the incredible work that you've done for all of us, and we're so happy that we can also work together in making this world better. So thank you to all of our veterans. And one last group. If you're with a nonprofit, if you're with an NGO, if you're doing God's work in the world, stand up and be recognized. If you're with a nonprofit or NGO organization, stand up if you're with a nonprofit or NGO. Thank you. Thank you, all our nonprofits, all these great people. Thank you. Thank you to the nonprofits and NGOs holding the world together. Thank you. Let me tell you what excites me about my job. It's this incredible new smarter world that we're creating together. That is what excites me about this new world. It's a smarter world. Everyone and everything is connected. Yes, we've moved out of the mainframes. We've moved out of client-server computing and into the cloud. And we've seen the emergence of social and mobile and the Internet of Things. And now we're seeing this incredible new world of artificial intelligence. And what's happening? It's not just about the mobile phone. We've been talking about that for a long time. It's these incredible, very smart things that are happening. 75 billion smart things. Of course, I love my Fitbit watch. We're going to be hearing pretty soon, you know, from James Park. Incredible, this watch. It's keeping track not only of my steps and my heart rate, but it connects me with all my friends. It's creating community. And of course, I have a great relationship with Fitbit. They're able to market to me and sell to me and communicate with me. They've created this incredible new world. And it's not just Fitbit. It's incredible new companies like Uber that we've all used probably to drive here today. And of course, that Bluetooth toothbrush that we've been talking about, the connected toothbrush from Philips, they're shipping it finally. Isn't that great? That's amazing. We knew it was coming, and now it's here. And of course, my car, my new Chevy, it's online. I have a one-to-one relationship with General Motors. That is so exciting. Mary Bear is here at Dreamforce to talk about how she's transforming General Motors by creating one-on-one relationships with her customers, her drivers, her dealers, and building community. And ABB, there's one of their new robots, smarter, connected ABBs, connected to their customers. Incredible shift. And Alexa, how many of you have Alexa already? Really, right? Isn't that cool? You just talk to this thing, and it does all this stuff for you, and you have this conversational user interface, this incredible conversational user interface with Alexa. Well, this is the future. We're moving forward. Look at how we're going forward. But let's pay attention to this. That is behind all of my smartwatches and my apps and my toothbrush and my car and my robot and my conversational user interface. Let's remember why we come to Dreamforce. Why do we come to Dreamforce? There's one very important reason why. And the reason why we come to Dreamforce is, behind all of these things, is our customer. And these are opportunities to get much closer connected to our customer than ever before. And that's why we're in this room, and that's what we're going to learn this week. How do we get closer to our customers? That's the power of our community. That's the power of our work together, how to connect to our customers in a whole new way, how to build this incredible new single view of our customer. That's so powerful, this idea that we're able to wrap all of this together. And just look at this. I mean, we heard this morning, I don't know, how many people went to the financial services keynote? Anybody? I was there, awesome. And Jeff Daly of Farmers Insurance, their CEO was there. Incredible work. They're recreating the customer process, recreating how they're communicating with their customers, connecting with their customers. And then, how many of you filed your tax returns with TurboTax this year, like Donald Trump did? Well, let me tell you, TurboTax, if you had problems while you were, maybe had some problems with his tax return, on the app, you just hit a button, bam, the Intuit person comes right up, right from the call center, have a live one-on-one conversation. That's amazing. And of course, Mary Bear at General Motors, completely rebuilding her company around the customer relationship itself. Isn't that incredible, her vision? And if you've seen her work with OnStar, you know that the future of automobiles is that level of intimacy with the customer. And I've been talking about Home Depot a lot this year. They're building these incredible communities. Communities not only of their employees, not only of their customers, but also their partners. And they're wrapping them all together into this incredible community of people helping and sharing each other. Reminds me of our own Salesforce community that we have here, where everyone is helping each other and helping make everything a little bit better. And of course, we have this great new customer, Adidas, who is on our e-commerce cloud, and Adidas is selling billions of dollars of shoes right on Salesforce. It's amazing. And when Kanye West delivers the new Kanye sneaker, I think it's called the Yeezy 350 or something like that. I got a couple myself. It's hard to get on there. They sell out quickly. You got to jump on and then you're out. But anyway, Adidas, closer to the customer than ever before. And of course, Fitbit. We're going to talk about an incredible Fitbit story in a second. Uber. We all know the importance of Uber and the one-on-one relationship with the customer. But it's also about their drivers as well, and the recruitment and the retention and the onboarding of the drivers closer to the customer. Uber's customer is not just me. Uber's customer is also that driver and the important relationship with that driver. And you're going to hear an amazing story of how more than half of the world's buildings work with Schneider Electric and this incredible technology. And they have a world-class CEO, a good friend of mine, and he's here. I can't wait for you to hear from him. All of these things ushering us in to the age of the customer. All of these things bringing us closer to our customer, and that's why we're at Dreamforce. Cloud, social, mobile, IoT, yes, but how Salesforce has brought this into our platform to give you, our customers, access to this leading-edge technology. You know the world has been changing. That's why we built everything from our cloud to our App Exchange to Force to Chatter to Salesforce One to Lightning to Wave to IQ to Thunder, because you need access to these incredible technologies, and you need it without programmers, without programming, without code. You want to be able to do it declaratively. This is the power of what we're doing at Salesforce. We want to bring this technology to everybody. And now we're on a major new journey, and you know what that journey is. It's this incredible new world of artificial intelligence. This new world of artificial intelligence where things are getting smarter. Machine intelligence and machine learning and deep learning. And we can see a world where Salesforce has artificial intelligence built in at the very, very deepest level of every app and at the core of our platform. And what have we done? We bought all these amazing companies like EdgeSpring and RelateIQ and Tempo and Minhash and Prediction.io and MetaMind and Implicit and Coolin and BeyondCore and Crux. And what did we do? We've been able to stitch together this amazing platform, an integrated artificial intelligence platform that's, yes, it's available programmatically, but most importantly, it's in the Salesforce platform declaratively for non-programmers, for non-coders. And we have more than 100 of the world's top AI experts, including some of the most incredible visionaries in this world, like Richard Socher is on the screen, one of the creators of deep learning. So you look at what Salesforce's vision is. We're on this march to artificial intelligence, and that's why we're so excited about Salesforce Einstein. Here's Salesforce Einstein. It's AI in the Salesforce platform, the world's smartest CRM. It's helping you to get closer to your customers than ever before. It's everybody's data scientist. It's right in the platform, so you don't have to know artificial intelligence. You don't have to know about deep learning. I know this sounds like magic. I know it sounds like magic. But so did it sound like magic when we said we're going to give the cloud to everyone, or we're going to give mobile to everyone. That's what Salesforce's job is. Our job is to make the complex simple. That's why we love Albert Einstein in this quote that imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. It's imagination circles the world. That sums up the Dreamforce community and what we do here and why we're here and why we are so excited and more excited than ever before. Now, we're going to all have to go a lot faster. We're all going to have to go a lot faster, and the way that we're going to go faster is with Lightning. And Lightning is more robust, stronger, and better than ever, and you're going to see that, not just in the Experience Builder and ecosystem, but you're going to see Lightning App Exchange and Lightning Bolt and the Lightning App Builder. That's what you're going to see with Lightning at the show. We're going to make sure that you're Lightning ready. We're going to assess where you are in your Salesforce implementation, and we're going to get ready to go to Lightning. You're going to see it. I'm sure you've seen it in the release we have now and the release that we have coming. This is a huge shift that we've all been working on for almost 5 years. It's incredible what's power of Lightning to go faster. And it's not just about Lightning. It's also about this incredible technology built by an incredible friend of mine, this incredible company now called Salesforce Quip. It was just called Quip. We bought it. Liked it so much, we bought the company. Anyway, everybody loves spreadsheets. Everybody loves word processors. What we don't like is having to email those spreadsheets and word processors around our company and to our customers and to our partners. What we want to do is collaborate in spreadsheets and word processors and have conversations in spreadsheets and word processors and documents in a collaboration environment. And if you haven't taken out your phone and gone to the App Store or gone to Google Play and downloaded Quip and put it on your phone, you're really missing out, because this app is probably one of the very best apps I've ever used on my phone. It was built for the phone first. It's what first got me excited about what Brett Taylor was doing. And Brett and his partner Kevin, let me tell you, you know about Brett. He built this thing called Google Maps. He went to another company called Facebook where he was the CTO. And now he's running this incredible group inside Salesforce called Quip. We're so lucky to have him on our team. Brett, are you in the room? Stand up and be recognized if you are. There he is right there, Brett Taylor. Great job, Brett. Such an incredible leader, part of Salesforce's team. And I'll tell you, 5 transformations of enterprise sales. Look, there's 5 things that we all need to know about that are happening. What are the 5 things? Things are getting a lot smarter. Intelligence is being built into everything that we're doing. And everything is going a lot faster. We have to be more productive than ever to stay up on our game. We have to have it all running on our mobile phone, okay? And everything is going to get connected. And it's these 5 concepts that we're trying to link everything around. So yes, we have Lightning, okay? And that's so critical and so important because that's all about speed. And we have Einstein because that's about intelligence. And we have Quip because it's all about productivity. But there's more that we have in this show. We have a lot of adoption in the show and a lot of innovation in the show, more innovation than we've ever had before. And you can see that right here in this Commerce Cloud that's coming, and also this incredible live message system. A whole new way to have conversations as a platform. The way we interact with computing is about to change again. And the way we're going to use it and the way we're going to connect is with our voice, with messenger services, with social networks. This is how our customers are going to connect with us. They're not just going to get on our apps. They're going to get on these social media apps. They're going to get on the messenger apps. They're going to get in these voice interfaces, and they're going to expect to talk to us. And we're going to be ready. And that's why we're introducing Salesforce Live Message. It's conversations as a platform, because every messaging app and social network is now a user interface to Salesforce. Wow. That is really going to be a change in how we work with computers. There's just no doubt about it, especially as they're getting so much smarter as well. And then we have this incredible Commerce Cloud. All you have to do to try it out, if you want, go to my favorite website in the world, Seas Candy. Get some milk chocolate Bordeaux, check out, have it delivered to your home. It'll be there by the time Dreamforce is over. You'll experience how fast and easy it is to conduct e-commerce on your phone or on the web. It's even faster and easier to set up your store, to launch your digital commerce platform, to have smarter commerce, because Einstein is built into our e-commerce cloud. You can see it in Adidas. You can see it in Seas. You can see it in this incredible company, Vineyard Vines, which I'm sure you all had a chance to look at what they're doing in the trade show hall. So awesome. And not only that, we even see all kinds of other amazing new companies and use cases that we never expected. And that's why it's become the #1 commerce cloud already in the world. #1 already. Pretty awesome. And all of this has to be mobile. Of course, how many of us have a mobile phone with us? Everybody puts their hand up now. How many, except the monks. The monks did not put up their hands. That was a very sad moment in the keynote. I said, doesn't everybody carry a mobile phone with them? They said, no, we do not. We do not do more than one thing at a time. We're breathing. We're relaxing. We're staying. Can we thank the monks? Will you guys stand up? Thank the monks for being here. Stand up to the monastics, the monks and nuns of Plum Village who are here to teach us how to meditate and be calm. Thank you. Thank you. A moment of solitude in the keynote. Almost everybody has a phone today. I have to change my slides. I'm so sorry. Almost everybody has a phone today. Everything has to go mobile. We've been working on this incredible Salesforce One platform. Millions of our customers are using it. It's incredible, way beyond our expectation. But everyone says, well, but why does it look like Salesforce? Why can't I have my name on it? Why can't I put it in the App Store with my name on it? I don't want it to have the Salesforce name on it. I like Salesforce. They just want their own name on it. Fine. Take all the Salesforce branding off of it, put all your branding onto Salesforce One, put it in the App Store with your name on it, whatever name you choose. That's the new My Salesforce One. Now in the App Store with your name and your brand. Very cool and very exciting. Yep. And of course, yes, we're going commerce, we're going mobile, we're doing all these things, and we're connecting everything together. We're connecting everything together with the IoT cloud, all 75 billion smart things, and so excited to see so many of our incredible customers like KUKA and others who are doing this incredible work, connecting the world together. All of this as one integrated system, which is the Salesforce Customer Success Platform, driven by our Thunder IoT Cloud, Lightning at the top, these incredible apps, Salesforce, sales, service, marketing, community, analytics, apps, commerce, IoT, and Quip, all smarter because of Einstein. All smarter because of Einstein. And let me tell you who wrote all the code, made it all happen, brought all this to us. Parker Harris, our co-founder and CTO.